a 90s Ferrari of the East. I can't believe it's rotting away in this crumbling roadside repair shop. The owner's tools are scattered all over the truck. Parts and wrenches are everywhere on the floor. "Can you fix it?" I asked. The owner shook his head with a bitter smile. He doesn't even have a complete set of tools to work on it. But in the next second, his eyes suddenly lit up. "Look, this car was my childhood dream. Brothers, let's get to work and make this Mitsubishi engine roar once again." It looks like a pile of junk now. But this is our shared childhood obsession. Just get it done. Brother, I'm going to need a hand. Next, we're going to tear it down completely. Don't overlook a single part. I'm working this hard. Brother, you'd better jump in too. The carbon buildup on these pistons is like coal, and they're worn out of shape. So, let's give this block a fresh start. It's been too many years, the hydraulic lifters have failed. The connecting rod bearings and the crankshaft, due to long-term wear. The surfaces are covered in deep grooves and scratches. Some are rusted. Some are cracked. It's basically all scrap metal. These valves are using some knockoff sealant. Leaking oil and losing compression. We're going to fix it all properly this time. Engine teardown complete. Straight into the ultrasonic cleaner. Once clean, we start the core work, boring and honing the cylinders. Onto the machine to open up the cylinders. After measuring these sleeves, the wear is nearly 0.06 millimeters. Starting the boring process. After boring is complete, we heat the block to fit the new sleeves. Then, through a second fine honing, we strictly restore it until the cylinder roundness is within 0.05 millimeters. Next, the final step, restoring the factory spec oil retention crosshatch. Since we're rebuilding the whole engine, can we really leave the gearbox behind? Found a massive amount of rust inside the transmission, mixed with oil sludge. The contamination worsened the friction plate wear. Prolonged hard braking or overheating caused the brake drum to wear down, resulting in noticeable slipping in second and fourth gears. Get the Gearbox Overhaul kit ready. Replace all clutch seals. The oil seals must be replaced too, to ensure it's done right the first time. All engine parts have arrived. All bolts are tightened to standard torque specs. Genuine Mitsubishi hydraulic lifters. This valve cover looks a bit weathered. Time for some magic. How's that for a result? The car's paint is being customized. Did you think we'd settle for good enough? The axles look like this now. But it's okay, with you here. I believe you'll help me bring the steel back to life. Patching it up for another 3 years of life. After stripping the front and rear axles, it's time for our magic moment. Thoroughly remove all rust. Then spray the chassis waterproof coating.